हे गाइस वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ माय कंप्लीट नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन। द एग्जैक्ट रूटीन आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग लेटली टू कीप माय स्किन healthy, hydrated and glowing. For reference, I have normal to acne prone skin and using these products helps strengthen my skin barrier, improve skin texture, reducing tanning and dullness while giving my skin that glass like glow. अगर आपका भी यही सेम स्किन कंसर्न है और if you are someone like mine skin type, you can try my routine. The first step is always cleansing. I'm using Earth Rhythm Mochi Pudding Cleanser with oat milk and ceramide. Throughout the day, our skin collects sunscreen, excess oil, pollution, sweat, and dirt. And if we don't remove all that properly before sleeping, it can lead to clogged pores and breakout. I just love how this product cleanses without making my skin feel tight or stiff. The oat milk helps soothe my skin, while the ceramide support the skin barrier, which is something I always prioritize. After that, I move on to my second cleanser. For this, I'm using the Kiehl's Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. This helps remove any leftover impurities and give my skin a really fresh and clean feel. Even though it cleanses thoroughly, my skin never feels overly dry after using it. I always massage it in about 440 to 60 seconds before rinsing. Step 3 is exfoliation. Now this step is not for every day. Only 2 to 3 times a week I use the Glycolic 7% glycolic acid toner. This helps gently exfoliate dead skin cells, improve skin texture and makes my skin look brighter over time. I especially like to use it whenever my skin starts looking dull or feel a little rough. On the days I use glycolic acid, I skip any other exfoliating products to avoid over exfoliation. And the next morning, sunscreen is absolutely non-negotiable. Whether I exfoliate or not, hydration is something I never skip. Using this Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi toner, and honestly, this is one of my favorite toners. It instantly makes my skin feel plump, soft, and hydrated. Since it contains ceramide, so it also helps support the skin barrier while repairing my skin for the next skincare steps. I usually apply 1 to 2 generous layers depending on how my skin feels that day. Next comes my serum. Lately, I have been using this Quench Snail Mucin serum. If your skin ever feel dehydrated or looks tired, product with Snail Mucin can be really nice for adding hydration and improving the overall feel of skin. The serum has a lightweight texture that absorbs beautifully without feeling sticky. It leaves my skin looking healthy, bouncy, and naturally radiant. Now it's time to lock in everything, and for this I'm using Bioderma Atoderm Creme. This has become one of my holy grail moisturizer. It deeply nourishes but never feels heavy at all. It also helps strengthen the barrier, keep my skin moisturized throughout the night, and when I wake up the next morning, my skin feels incredibly soft. If you're someone whose skin gets dehydrated easily and you are working on repairing your skin barrier, this is definitely worth checking out. I never finish my skincare without taking care of my lips. For this, I'm using the Face Shop Lip Sleeping Mask. It feels rich, nourishing without being uncomfortable. I apply a generous layer before sleeping, and by morning, my lips feel so much softer and smoother. Remember, glowing skin isn't something you get overnight, it's the result of taking care of your skin consistently. So, that was it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.